Yeah, she get shot for real.
This is how I knew it. It's bad.
Keep going. There's gotta be more moves than just the one. Pop something.
I don't
Pop something.
Pop something.
Okay, turn it down. Because people are sleeping.
Dude, get low.
Turn it down a little bit.
Turn it down.
Yeah.
I love how she's trying to be gangster while wearing a Harry Potter shirt.
This is gangster.
Fantastic. Please keep the Harry Potter shirt on.
I know, nobody wants to see this. This is my favorite.
Hey, get low.
The gay man t-shirt, just like throw it through your collar. Just like,
Oh yeah, this is hot.
not.
No, this is better. What are we doing, guys?
She's trying to be gangster.
Yo, yo, go.
He's trying to be gangster with a Harry Potter t-shirt on.
Get low. How white? Hey, Rain. On a scale of 1 to 10, how white is she?
Like a 10.
Try to be white. Hey, Rain. Try to dance white. Is that really what we look like?
That's an 11.
No, you scared. You scared.
I want to dance white.
Hey, dance Caucasian.
Yeah, Caucasian, and you guys are from Caucasian. No, you guys are Caucasian.
You're of the Caucasian persuasion.
It sounds like a freaking neo-Nazi kind of slogan.
No, because then we would be Aryan, and I'm not Aryan. Why is it gonna
No, Aryan is like gypsies technically.
No, Aryan what?
Hitler was just stupid and got the meaning wrong. Okay, you gotta stop it.
Ow!
What are you, a traffic guard?
Yeah, I'm loving how we're both not trying.